That's a great question. How can I keep increasing my quality and quantity of service? Because if you stop increasing the quality, that's also going to flag you too. You need to keep getting good at what you're doing. You need to keep putting in that, stacking that work. Just like an athlete, they get better. Their game day is they're showing up and really showing what they've been training for. They don't just show up on game day. They train, they get better, train. Think of Tom Brady. Tom Brady just retired in his NFL. And he would go and train, and he said, I was always looking for that one edge to get better. So he might be able to throw it a little bit quicker or a little bit faster. So it might just be a micro movement of his hand, and he would repeat it until that became subconscious. He's done that the entire life. That's why he's one of the greatest of all time. The greatest are focused on getting better every day. So make sure that you're putting in time and effort to get better. That's how your value is going to go up.